Alright, man, so we got the food. First things first, these fries. I can see those fries. Sheesh. I ain't gonna hold you. They look a little dry. Yeah, they dry. You need some ketchup with this. With the main plate right here. Woo! Boneless chicken with garlic sauce and pork fried rice. Woo! Let me see what this hitting for. It's sweet. A little spicy to it. Chicken nice and juicy. See what the rice hitting for. Rice fire. Fire. Could be a little more fried, but I give it an 8 out of 10.